All right, those were 2 packages of my savory butter Hawaiian king rolls. We're gonna go ahead and put that to the side, and I'm gonna bring in a large bowl, and I have here 1 block of softened cream cheese, 2 blocks of softened cream cheese in our large bowl. Next, I'm coming in with my shredded chicken. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious appetizer, lunch, whatever you wanna make it for. It's gonna be incredible. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that shredded chicken. You could also just buy a rotisserie chicken and shred that if you like, but I'm gonna use 1.5 bags of this Foster Farms shredded chicken. Oh my gosh, I need a bigger bowl, you guys. Okay, next I'm gonna bring in my Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning. Oh my, this is gonna be delicious. We're gonna use this whole packet right inside our large bowl with that cream cheese, with the chicken. This is gonna go beautifully with our Hawaiian sliders. All right, now I'm gonna bring in 10 pieces of my cooked bacon, and we're just gonna crumble our bacon right inside of our pan. We want little pieces right inside our bowl. I absolutely love chicken, bacon, ranch together, and this is no exception. So just get kind of, pieces the same size as the chicken. It can be bigger or larger depending on what you like. Oh my goodness, this looks so delicious. I'm now coming in with my mayo, and we're gonna add about 1/2 cup of mayo right into our bowl. Perfect, that looks like 1/2 cup, yummy. Next, I'm gonna bring in my cheese shredder, and we are gonna go ahead and lock this in so we can shred some sharp cheddar. Oh my goodness, I wish this was a little bit taller so it could just shred right into my bowl, but we will try our best. We'll just line it up like that and see where we get with it. All right, that is our block of cheese nice and shredded. Make sure you get all those extra bits out of our cheese shredder. We'll put that to the side, grab whatever fell on the ground, and now it is time to get mixing. I'm gonna bring in just a spatula, and we're just gonna start folding everything together to create such a delicious mixture that's gonna go beautifully with those Hawaiian rolls. We have the cream cheese, we have the chicken, the bacon, the ranch seasoning, the mayo, and of course that freshly grated cheddar cheese. All right, let's put some arm strength into this and get it nice and blended. Okay, this looks about ready. I'm gonna bring back our Hawaiian sliders, and I took the tops off of them so that we could fill it up with our delicious cream cheese, chicken, bacon, ranch mixture. Oh my goodness, I think you guys can see where this is going. These are gonna be some delicious chicken sliders. So great for lunch, so great for football Sunday, or for any game day that you guys are participating in. But we're just gonna go ahead and get this mixture on here and get it nice and evenly distributed before we pop it in the oven and let it get nice and juicy. Oh my, these look so juicy. Okay, it is time to put the tops back on best we can. We had one that was a loose cannon, and then these are gonna be just about ready. Oh, I love Hawaiian sweet rolls. They smell incredible. Okay, so last but not least, we're just gonna brush this with a little bit of butter because butter makes everything better. Just a nice little glaze on those tops. Oh, this is gonna be incredible. You could even add a little bit of seasoning to the butter, like maybe some garlic salt or onion powder, whatever you like. But I think that just a simple butter doesn't take away from the deliciousness that is inside of our sliders. Perfect. Okay. So these are gonna be super quick. My oven is set to 350 and it's gonna be in there for like 15 minutes. Oh my, our game day sliders are ready. Look how golden brown the tops are. Let's see if we can just pull. Oh yeah, that cheese is all melted and gooey and delicious. Oh, I'm just gonna eat it as is, no plate or nothing. That was really good, you guys.